Hak resort ke HSSLC Arja Ararosan, wada pembenaan ni kesengi dek Embos, ke North Liberty Higher Secondary School Juai, dia ke armut ikena opsi ke top 10 ke science stream, wai ke wi dek kita ke Rilanaika Sari, wada yok 9th position, dewa yok sos pakatan ho marks wai distinction, hakin duduk lagi subjek. Ke Rilanaika tok ke wana tenong tat mutlong, wai ke kon ke Shaili Hambo Ika Sari, wa ulam nanti chwa suciang. Ke Rilanaika hawa kelam nangkong de ekublai ke ya ublai udah lang curup. Wai u kurku wai cai ikia de ekublai ke le principal kiwa sikai ke bayu pa kiwa de bat je kercain klem de ka han lamat ko ya wani dong gom MD de wi like nei krek citom wai hejo ipor le to usnyau scam wo chinia ha ide de wo bo le akhmat ye cai ikia wai wo thia de wo biang por nei ba klem i cai wo ro ikrek citom do sep ai kamu pun kemu wa Rilanaika to ko yo 20th position ha ke SSLC Arja Arole.
Actually, first of all, I give thanks to God because He's always been there with me to always always give me blessings and health. And second, I only like to thank my principal, my teachers, my parents for being so supportive, and they never leave my side despite. Of course, I have many failures throughout this journey, but then they never fail to support me. This is what brings me in the 9th position. Uh, First of all, is there's no substitution to hard work. We only need to work hard and work smart. That's the most important thing. We should trust ourselves and always to prioritize our health and sleep. We should never fail to take care of ourselves because without health, then all this hard work and all will not pay off. That's it.